All right, let's do another TikTok affiliate marketing case study with high ticket affiliate marketing right here. He just made over $1,200, $1,253 just this morning. I think he just posted this today or yesterday. He just made this with just one sale, okay? Just one sale. That's why I recommend high ticket affiliate marketing and this program that he's doing it with, and I'm part of as well. Great news. I'm proud of you, man. Now let's learn how he's doing this. Oh, before I do this, please like this video and subscribe to my channel because I post videos all the time about affiliate marketing, about TikTok affiliate marketing, and all kinds of ways to drive traffic and make money online with affiliate marketing or other ways to make money online, and also motivation and business success in general. So subscribe, like this video, and let's get to it. So basically, how he's been able to make over $1,200 just one sale. So he's promoting this system. Okay, it's a 90% done for you online system that makes regular people $1,000, $5,000 plus per day. As you can see, there's nothing extraordinary about us. Like, this is my number one recommended way to make money online. You just can click on the link on the description and it will take you to the page where you can just enter your information and watch the free video. This free video is gonna also show you more advanced information and training on how to make money with TikTok and affiliate marketing, high ticket affiliate marketing, and all that stuff. And it will show you also more information about the system and how you can get this done for you. Pretty cool. So let's get to it. Okay, so how we're doing it. Okay, so we're gonna focus on TikTok in this video, but what we do, yeah, we go to TikTok, we use TikTok and all that, but we also post the same video, the same content on Instagram and YouTube and also Facebook. Okay, so that way we get more exposure, there's more views, more people watching us. So just use the same video that I'm gonna be showing you how to make right here, and just post it on all the social platforms. And this is how we do it. Okay, of course we need the right niche and the products. This is already done for us and for him, for you, if you join the system. All this is done. Okay, there's the niche, the make money online niche, which is the one of the best niches to be at for affiliate marketing. And there's multiple products. The minimum commission that we make is this much. Okay, this is the minimum that we make per sale. There's also other products and services that the system sells for us, and we make $4,000, $5,000, $3,000 per sale for each one of these products. So all this is already done for us and for him. All this is done for us as well. The bridge page, landing page, squish page, all this, the whole system, the whole funnel is done for us. And then also the emails that the system is gonna email them to follow up with them, right? The money is in the list. So the system already set up this email list for us, but the leads, the contacts are ours, but the system and the team behind the system is emailing them every single day with broadcast emails, and they're also setting up email autoresponders. So the system keeps following up with them on a daily basis, pretty much. And then there's also people talking with interested leads and interested customers, potential customers, via Zoom, one-on-one, to answer questions and to guide them through how to join, if they're ready to join, or if not, to answer questions and all that. So this whole system is already all done. Okay, now I'm going to show you how to drive traffic, how to make money on TikTok, but I also recommend you to post on Instagram and YouTube. So basically, this is how he does it. That is how we do it. Okay, so basically you go to TikTok. Okay, and basically you just find videos and content related to the niche. We find content related to make money online, right? This is the niche of make money online, affiliate marketing and all that. Make money from your phone, on TikTok, fast right now, make money fast right now. So let's see what there is for this keyword. As you can see, there's a limited amount of keywords. You can search more keywords right here. Look at this: quick money right now, legit max for money, I need money right now. All these keywords and all these videos for each keyword. So it's insane. There's unlimited amounts of videos that you can get inspired by. So we check out what other people are creating. and we just model after them. Okay, we watch these short videos. These are short videos, and we check videos that are going very viral, very popular, at least 100,000 views. But honestly, with all the videos that is right now with millions of views, I would recommend you to model after videos that are getting a million views at least. So look at this one: 1.8 million views, 500,000 views, 6.9 million views. So, and all these people, there's nothing unique about them. If you're skeptical about, I know a lot of people, especially some beginners, they say, no, I don't want to copy, I don't want to model after them, I want to be unique, I want to create something unique, blah 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 blah. But like, these are the most successful people on TikTok on this niche. They're getting millions of views and they're not doing anything special. Look at this girl is saying, how I made $600 in 20 minutes. This guy is saying $900 in 3 hours. This girl is saying $100 in 15 minutes. They're all saying almost the same thing, but they're getting millions of views. So, I mean, if you're still skeptical, check it out. These are the successful people. Let's see this girl right here. She has over 118,000 followers. This guy has how many followers? Almost 160,000 followers. He got 6.9 million views on this video, and they're saying the exact same thing. So that's what we do. We do almost the same thing. We model after it. We tweak it. You can add your personality if you like. And in the beginning, if you're scared of talking, you don't even have to talk. You can just smile at the camera, do the selfie, smile at the camera, point like this, point up, like if there's some text on you, and then you just type the text. This is what a lot of people do. I recommend you to talk because you will trust like that. Is because here, when you do affiliate marketing, you're building trust. So people trust you, they trust the product and service that you are recommending. So I recommend you to start talking as soon as possible so people trust you better, right? Who will you trust more? Somebody who is not talking or somebody who talks, right? It's common sense. So yeah, there's unlimited amounts of videos that you can model after. Just recreate it, very simple, and post them. You have to post once, twice, 3 times a day. If you can do more, the better. 5 times a day, 10 videos a day. That will be brutal. That will be great. And if you have way too many videos to post, create multiple accounts so you can post faster, So this is it. We just model after it. But then how are we able to make this kind of money? Because you need to drive traffic to this, right? To this funnel. So how do we do that? So I'm going to show you an example here. The example I was showing you right here, for example, we have on our profile, we have the bio with a little introduction about ourselves, what we do, right? So for example, how to make money online, blah, 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 blah. So our call to action is free video, or learn more with this free video. And we link to the page that the system already made for us. So then once they're in here, they're registered and they're getting all the emails automatically from for us, and they're sending traffic to the products every single day. They're talking via email to them every single day. The system, they're sending them emails, set up an appointment with us to talk one-on-one, to answer your questions about the system. So all this is done for us. All we do is put the link there in the bio, and the people that want to follow you, the people that are interested in what you do, they're going to click on there, and you're going to get those leads, but the system is going to do all the work for you. This is how we do it. There's no much more to it, really. You keep doing that on a regular basis, and this is how he's been able to make this match. And I have so many so many case studies. This is the 6th one, I believe, that I already made, but I'm overwhelmed with all the case studies that there is. I can't keep up with all this. I came up with these 6, but there's like dozens and dozens and dozens of case studies. I've never seen anything like this with so many successful people, and this is real people that you can just do. It's regular people. Like he's, not offense, but he's nothing. He doesn't seem anything special, right? He doesn't look like the sexiest man alive, or no disrespect. He's a handsome guy, right? But he's not a bodybuilder with a special skill of bodybuilding, or like he doesn't have this special skill of like basketball or football or some sport. He's not a doctor. No, he's just a regular dude here making this type of money just by modeling after people. So if you want to learn more about this, you can just click on the link below. You learn more about this, but also it's going to show you more information and more training about how to make money with affiliate marketing and TikTok and high ticket affiliate marketing like we do. Yes, and then also, of course, they're gonna explain to you more about the 90% done for you online system, which I highly recommend. Not only if you're a beginner, but also if you're even advanced. I've been doing marketing and business for years and years, but I still prefer to have a done for me system that is doing all the work for me. Why wouldn't I? There's no way in a million years that I was gonna be able to create this system on my own. There's no way. Like, there's people following up. There's 18 calls per week of experts and Zoom calls with training and all that. There's people emailing all the time. There's people writing emails every day. Like, there's no way I could do that on my own. And there's no way anybody can do this just on their own. So it makes sense to have a system like this. All you do is just create content non-stop, post it non-stop as much as you can, and you will get better success. And follow up with me, subscribe, because I'm coming up with these case studies on an hourly basis. Every minute I find a new case study. So I'm gonna try to keep posting about this affiliate marketing in general, make money online in general, and about making money with TikTok and other social networks. So follow me, subscribe, like this video as well. Check out the link below, watch this free video, and I'll see you on the next video.